Today, I want to show you how you should be walking up a ramp safely so that you don't risk tripping or falling over. First thing, make sure you are close enough to the side where you can hold on with at least one hand. From here, the very first thing you should do is kick your heel back so that it goes up towards your buttock, and then move your leg forward. So kick your butt, then bring your leg forward. Kick, then bring your leg forward. If you don't kick your leg first, you risk scuffing your toes and therefore potentially falling forward. Once you are at the top of the ramp, you want to slowly turn around, making sure you're holding on the entire time. And this time, when you are descending a ramp, the very first movement should be lifting your knee up towards the sky. So you lift your knee up, then place your heel down. Knee up, heel down. What this does is it helps you safely descend the ramp without tripping and scuffing your toes. What I want you to observe from the front angle is how my knee comes up, then my heel touches the ground first. Allowing my heel to touch the ground first will prevent my toes from scuffing and potentially avoiding a fall. Let's take one more look at it from the front. Scoot close to the railing so you're being safe. You're going to kick your butt, then move your leg forward. Kick, then lift forward. Repeat this movement, and if you are using a walker or a cane, this movement of your legs is the exact same. You might just have a little more stability from the device that you are using to help you walk up the ramp. Once you are at the top of the ramp, slowly turn. If you are using an assistive device, this will take a little bit longer, but that's okay. Then, as you're ready to descend the ramp, lift your knee up, then heel down. Knee up, heel down. The entire way down, just repeat the movement and make sure that your toes are not scuffing the ground. Additionally, you want to make sure that your hand is holding onto the railing or your assistive device the entire time for safety.